Want to know if you can watch Netflix for free? Here is how. Welcome back to Silicophilic. In this guide, we will show you the safe and official way to check for Netflix free trials. No tricks, no scams, just the real deal. Method 1. Check for Netflix free trial. Open the Google Play Store and search for Netflix. Tap Update or Install if you don't have it yet. Launch Chrome or any browser. In the search bar, type Netflix official site. Go to the official website. Make sure the URL is netflix.com. Avoid third-party or suspicious link. Check for free trial availability. Netflix sometimes offers free trials depending on your country. If available, you will see an option to start a free trial when signing up. Licensing agreements restrict Netflix's free library to few viewers. In this case, you cannot see free options. Use Opera browser with free VPN. Opera has a built-in VPN that lets you change your virtual location. So download and install the Opera browser. Open Opera and click on the three dots menu. Then search for VPN. You can also open Opera settings by typing this in the address bar and hit enter. Now search for VPN and enable the free VPN and select a location in the United States. Now check for free trial availability for Netflix and sign up safely. Enter your email address and create a password. Follow the official instructions. If a free trial is offered, you will get access for the stated period. Otherwise, choose a subscription plan that works for you. Method 2. Watch free Netflix using T-Mobile. Open your web browser, tap on the search bar. In the search bar, type T-Mobile Netflix. This should show you T-Mobile's official page about Netflix on us. Click on the official T-Mobile link. Check availability. The software is valid in fewer countries. If available in your country, click on the option to activate. Follow the instructions provided by the T-Mobile to link your Netflix account. Once activated, you will have Netflix included with your T-Mobile plan. No extra payment required beyond your T-Mobile subscription. And that's it. Netflix free trials are only available through the official Netflix website. Don't trust shortcuts or fake forms. They can put your personal information at risk. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more such tips and fixes, and share your own tips in the comments. Because your solution might help another user too. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.